Hello again. I'm going to be no better at talking this time, so bear with me. Okay, first of all, give it up for those ladies and Bobby. That was awesome. I was looking for that. Oh my god. Alright, so, you can't have yep, there we go. Can't have a good a cappella show, especially a decades a cappella show, without the queen of pop, my girl, my goddess, Beyonce. Can I get an amen? Thank you. So, this group worked so hard today, and we probably spent more time on choreo than we did on music, but that's how I roll. So, I want you to get up off your seats during those key changes. I want you to dance, I want you to cheer. I'm gonna stop now. This group is called the Beehive because obviously it's Beyonce. So, without further ado, let's get some love on top.